move that nobody saw coming, yet everybody secretly hoped for, Dodge has unleashed something truly outrageous for 2026, the Dodge Demon pickup truck. This isn't just another performance truck. It's a muscle car on a lifted frame, engineered for pure adrenaline. Taking the legendary Demon nameplate and fusing it with the rugged utility of a pickup, Dodge has created a vehicle that's equal parts street monster and everyday workhorse. Let's dive into what makes this wild machine one of the most talked about trucks of the year. Exterior design, aggression in motion. The 2026 Demon pickup doesn't try to hide its attitude, it screams it from every angle. Based on a modified Ram 1500 frame, the truck features wide fenders, lowered suspension, and a custom aerodynamic body kit that nods to its street racing roots. The front end is unmistakably Dodge, with a snarling grille, Demon badging, and signature LED lighting that gives off a menacing glow. A vented hood dominates the front, helping feed air into the beast of an engine underneath. Flared wheel arches wrap around custom 20-inch forged wheels with drag radial tires, while side skirts and a functional rear diffuser hint at the high-performance capabilities packed inside. This isn't just a pickup, it's a rolling statement. Interior, muscle meets modern tech. Inside, the Demon pickup is all business, with just enough luxury to keep things comfortable. Deep bolstered sport seats covered in suede and leather keep the driver planted during high-speed launches. Red contrast stitching, Demon logos embroidered in the headrests, and carbon fiber trim remind you that this truck doesn't follow the rules. The driver faces a flat-bottom performance steering wheel and a 12-inch digital cluster that changes based on drive mode. The center console houses Dodge's updated Uconnect 5 system, offering wireless smartphone integration, performance telemetry, launch control settings, and a custom drag mode interface. It's not just muscle, it's modern tech built for the track. Powertrain, supercharged insanity. The heart of the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is what sets it apart from every other truck on the road. Under the hood lies a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, pushing out a mind-blowing 850-plus horsepower, detuned slightly from the original Demon Challenger for better drivability, but still packing absurd performance. This power is channeled through a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission, launching the pickup from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but an all-wheel drive variant is rumored to be in development for even quicker off-the-line performance. A performance exhaust system gives the Demon pickup its signature roar, while upgraded cooling systems, beefed-up suspension, and launch control ensure the truck stays composed even when you're pushing it to its limits. Handling and performance, built for speed, tuned for control. Despite its pickup form, the Demon is designed to dominate the strip and the streets. Dodge has equipped it with a sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and an active rear differential to ensure maximum traction under pressure. The chassis is stiffened, the ride height is dropped, and the steering is razor-sharp. Don't expect this to be a rock crawler, this is a street truck through and through. It handles corners far better than a truck should and demolishes straightaways with muscle car fury. Massive Brembo brakes provide the stopping power needed to handle all that speed. Practicality, a daily driver. Surprisingly, yes. It may sound like a purpose-built dragster, but Dodge hasn't completely abandoned utility. The Demon pickup still offers a usable truck bed with a spray-in liner and tie-downs, plus a 5,000-pound towing capacity, enough for motorcycles, small trailers, or even a set of race tires and gear. Cabin space is generous, with a full crew cab configuration available. It can seat 5 comfortably, with rear seat fold-down options for cargo. In short, while it's far from a traditional work truck, it's surprisingly capable of handling everyday tasks between drag runs. Safety and tech, modern muscle. Alongside raw power, the Demon pickup offers modern safety and driver assistance features. Expect adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear crosspath detection, and a suite of airbags. Performance-specific features like a G-force meter, shift light indicator, and reaction time timer are also built into the infotainment system. Advanced connectivity includes wireless charging, satellite navigation, and over-the-air software updates. It's the blend of old-school muscle with next-gen technology, making it as smart as it is savage. Competitors and market position in a league of its own. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup doesn't really have a direct rival. It's faster than the Ford Raptor, louder than the Silverado ZR2, and meaner than the Ram TRX. Where those trucks focus on all-terrain or Baja-style performance, the Demon pickup is a celebration of raw speed on pavement. That said, it's likely to attract buyers looking at the Raptor or performance EVs like the Tesla Cybertruck, simply for the outrageous thrill it offers. But make no mistake, this truck isn't for everyone. It's for enthusiasts who want performance without compromise and attitude without apology. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup won't come cheap, and Dodge isn't pretending otherwise. Starting prices are expected to hover around $85,000, with fully loaded versions climbing into six-figure territory. Production will be limited, possibly under 5,000 units, making it an instant collector's item. Deliveries are expected to begin in late 2025, with orders opening earlier in the year. Dodge is targeting die-hard fans, muscle car collectors, and performance truck enthusiasts, anyone bold enough to tame this beast. Final thoughts. A truck with no equal. The 2026 Dodge Demon pickup is what happens when a brand listens to its most passionate fans and delivers something that defies convention. It's loud, it's fast, it's impractical in the best way possible, and that's exactly why it works. By combining the brutal force of the Demon engine with the body of a pickup, Dodge has created a one-of-a-kind machine that doesn't just break the mold, it sets it on fire. Whether it's tearing up drag strips or stealing the spotlight at car meets, the Demon pickup proves that Dodge still knows how to have fun.